Oh yeah. I've been waiting on this for quite a while. So excited. This has been a long time coming, and I'm super excited to unbox this and hopefully be able to use it on a trip to go visit some friends in my state, because you know, all the stuff in the world. But yeah, let's unbox this baby. And disclaimer, for those of you who know what this is, I did not get the packing cube that turns into a backpack. That's dope, but I just didn't personally see any fit for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So obviously this is the Peter McKinnon x Nomatic collab. So let's go ahead and open this, take out our trusty knife, and all right, so when you open up the box, oh gosh, do I have room? Oh no, I didn't think about this. You have the backpack in a bag with the Pete's Pirate Life logo. I'm so stoked about this. So we're just gonna, I know, slide that right on out. So on the backpack, you have Peter McKinnon signature and Nomatic, and you have a whole slew of pockets. You got handles all around. You got a handle on the bottom. You got handles on the side. You got a handle on the top, handle on the other side. So when you're loading it up onto a shelf, say when you're flying, then you can just grab it from any angle and have no problem grabbing the bag quickly. So on this side, you have your easy access camera hole, although right now they're sticking to the inside pads. And on the other side, you have that wonderful magnetic clip. Then you have your backpack straps with straps to help alleviate your back pain. So you can pull it up over your shoulders and pull this a little bit tighter, or if your bag is really full, hopefully it will help alleviate some of the pain. Then you have pocket right here, just a small, like, keys, quick access, whatever. Have pocket up here, and this is where you could like store clothes if you wanted to. Got pocket there, two smaller pockets there, and then you have your strap and 4 pockets there. Then you have your expansion zipper, so if you need a little bit of extra room, you got yourself a little bit of extra room. Flip it to the back side. Got your tag with all the information, 35 liter, all sorts of information about the bag, how you could use it. And then you got a QR code on the back to watch a video about it. And then you have zippers that can lock together. So if you're traveling and you want all your stuff to be safe, then you got that. We open up the back. It's another one of those. I thought I apparently got them all. Maybe, oh well. Then on this side, you have, I think this is supposed to be like an iPad sleeve. Oh, there was a laptop. I thought there was a laptop sleeve somewhere. So on this side you have, then where to start? We'll just start here. This is the filter case. So just unzip this, and then you can store all your filters into pockets. I don't have that many, so like I only have the 2 Peter McKinnon filters, plus one that I bought forever ago when I didn't fully know what I was doing. I mean, do I still know what I'm doing? Does anyone know? Then we also have the packing cube, or the accessory cube, I guess is the technical name. I'm probably gonna end up using this to like store my drone instead of how I'm currently storing it, because I can put the drone in, put the remote in, and so there's a few little accessories, but that is super helpful, and it's a nice hard protective case. Then you got your little like rain pouch cover, whatever, to put over the entire bag. You got 2 extra straps to be able to like put your tripod on the outside, so you could run the straps through these slots and be able to mount your tripod right here if you so desire. And last but not least, we have the battery case, and it comes with 6 little stickers. If it would focus, come on. You got 6 little stickers The idea is that you put these on one end of your battery, and when it's dead, you put this side up, and when it's charged, you put this side down. So that's actually kind of neat. And this holds 3 different batteries, and it again also has the magnetic clip. And then this is the memory card case. And I actually at one point forgot I ordered this and forgot that this came with it. So I almost bought a SD card carrying case from like Pelican or just some other company off of Amazon. And this also does the magnetic close. So it's got a zipper on one side and a few different slots for your different sized SD cards. Hold up, so if I put like an actual SD card. All right, yeah, that works. Just doesn't work with that tiny little card because it's a thick boy. So that will be super helpful for keeping all my SD cards organized, and it's in this nice smooth case. So what I absolutely love about this backpack versus one other one I use, or that I have used sadly only once, is that I can fit my camera gear and a couple days of clothes instead of having to bring an entire backpack's worth of gear plus a separate pack for my clothes. So the other bag I've used is actually the other one that Peter has used. Can you tell I have a problem, or can you at least like sense a pattern? And this one's not awful, but like all I can do with this bag is load it up with gear. I have plenty of slots for all the things I need, but there's not really space for equipment and clothes. And that's what I feel like the Peter McKinnon bag fixes, because I can fit a laptop, some other things in here, my camera and lenses and some microphones and such in there. But that's about all I feel like I can fit in here, because that's how the pockets are designed. So you got like a pocket up here to store a few things that you might just need quick access to, or if your camera's up here, you grab it out of the top. And then you have some different side pockets with things, another quick access. Basically same on the other side. You have a strap on the bottom. There's some other straps that come with this, but then I think there's also the plastic covering that gets stored on the bottom. So like it was nice and I used it for a wedding, but if I want to travel places for like a few days, that's where I feel like the Peter McKinnon bag wins, solely because you can store your gear and your laptop, as well as a few days worth of clothes. Now in the pictures online, they show a lot of like compact space-saving cubes that you could put in here. But I think if you're just smart about it all and just immediately expand it and put 2 days worth of like shirts, pants, and other necessities, it can work. The only thing that I foresee not fitting in here, and again, that will depend on like your carrying case, is like a thing of toiletries. Mine is kind of this thick cube that is not gonna fit anywhere in here, and I wouldn't necessarily want to put it in with my gear just because there are fluids and such in there, and fluids don't necessarily work well with technology. So this basically solves all the problems except for that, but you make it work. So that is just my quick unboxing of the Peter McKinnon backpack. And if you want me to do a follow-up video of using this backpack after a couple days, then I will do that and see what I think. But right now, this is just a opening everything up, being really excited about this, and not waiting to want to use this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up, and you can click all the things in the end card, and I'll see you guys next time. And not to be an absolute copy, but and stay safe out there with everything going on in the world. Call a friend, talk with people, just stay safe, wash your hands, all the things. I'll see you later. Bye.